Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo triple hooks for the background paper drive sets. The Kupo triple hook set enables you to mount 3 rolls of seamless backgrounds with background paper drives to effortlessly raise and lower them without the need for pesky ladders. First, we'll mount our Kupo triple hooks to Convi Clamps by attaching them with the provided screws. Alternatively, the triple hooks can be mounted directly to a wall or flat surface using appropriate fasteners and clips for the job required. Make sure you have the exact width measured beforehand. Now we'll attach our Convi Clamps to the top of our riser sections. Alternatively, you can mount the triple hooks to our Kupos. Next, with the seamless unrolling from the back, we'll insert the tension unit into the cardboard core of the seamless so that the widest part of the black cone is flush with the end of the seamless. While holding the black part with one hand, turn the handle clockwise until the white core expands firmly against the inside core of the seamless. Repeat this process with the drive unit on the other side, then repeat with the other 2 rolls of seamless. The drive unit can go into either side. Choose the side that you find easiest to access in your studio environment. With the seamless on the floor, move the light stand so that the hooks line up with the slots next to the drive gear and tension knob. Now lift the roll of seamless and slide the slot of the tension unit onto the hook and repeat with the other side. Now hang the other 2 rolls of seamless. Before cutting the tape off the seamless, make sure the tension knob is set tight enough so that the roll won't unroll freely, but not so tight that it takes a lot of effort to turn the roll by hand, which can cause the chain to break. Now cut the tape off the rolls and have an assistant help you raise the seamless to your desired height. Make sure all 3 chains hang freely and don't get caught up on the other drive units. Now simply use the chains to adjust the seamless rolls up or down to your desired height. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.